How much shorter are you okay? Because we do have a little bit of emptiness there. Of course, if you're open to bringing it up a bit, it'll help to close out that gap a little bit. All right, gorgeous. Let's talk about your hair. Let's talk about some of the things that you're experiencing at home.
Now 9 months postpartum.
Okay.
So I think we're in the clear of shedding.
Okay.
But I definitely noticed that like even my density is not as full as it once was. So I definitely, while pregnant, was straightening my hair way more. It was just easier.
Okay.
So we're still getting rid of like, you know, the pieces here and like trying to just have my whole texture match. I'm happy to go a little bit shorter if that's going to make it look more full.
How much shorter are you okay? Because we do have a little bit of emptiness here, partly from the fact that underneath here, you're a lot tighter.
Yes.
Right? So we do have a little bit of emptiness there. Of course, if you're open to bringing it up a bit, it'll help to close out that gap a little bit. But how much are you okay? That's the question.
I feel like here,
A little bit past the shoulder, you would be okay with.
Exactly. As long as I can put in a ponytail when need be, that's fine.
And you'll be able to, because curly is going to sit here, but then as you pull it back, you'll get more length with stretching. And we do have a little bit of heat damage pieces like around the face as well.
Yes.
You did mention that you're open to bangs as well.
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Excited about it.
How do you feel about that? Have you had bangs before?
I haven't, so this will be new to me, but I think the way for me to kind of get, like, you know, those stringy pieces gone, I kind of want it to sit kind of here. A longer bang would suit my face. I don't know.
But it means that you have to be comfortable with having something in this region here. Some people don't like that. Some people it doesn't bother at all. They actually like that.
Fair, yeah.
So if you're gonna be brushing it away or splitting it because you can't see, it kind of defeats the purpose.
Yeah.
Let's keep it longer first and see, you know what, is this gonna be a fit for me or do we need to take it a bit
Definitely,
shorter?
let's do that. I feel like go longer than shorter if we need to.
Okay, perfect.
I feel like you need to come to Grenada because I know a lot of the girlies would be like, girl, we need some of her in our life.
Hi, beautiful Chanel.
Hi. Oh my God, I'm so happy to be here in this
so
chair.
happy to have you in my chair here in Antigua. I know you just got a haircut,
Yeah.
and I know it's a little too short for you. And the focus is not taking you much shorter than you are, but you're also not happy with the shape per se, the interior layering. So let's talk about that. What's the challenge you find that you're having?
Right now, I'm trying to get used to like styling it now so that it suits. Because obviously I'm not used to keep the hair being this short.
Right.
So styling it to where it looks good. I don't want to have to be manipulating it to get the shape that I want. I want it to just be able to fall naturally.
So right now you find that you're manipulating a lot to give it the look that you want to get. Okay. You kind of showed me an inspo picture. Can we pull that up?
Like you did your thing with that. And I wish I had my length back so I could be like, exactly.
I feel like we can get this look, the bangs. We can make them heavier and they're versatile. You can push them off to the side if you want like a lighter look.
Now that it's short and I'm growing it back, and after you shape it like that, like how do I now get that look as it's longer?
As it grows out, it's gonna grow out in that shape continually. Normally, I say 4 to 5 months for a shape up. So it's either you're coming to Toronto or I'm coming to Grenada.
Yes. I feel like you need to come to Grenada because I know a lot of the girlies would be like, girl, we need some of her in our life. You know what I mean?
I'm not mad at it.
I'm not mad at taking a trip to Toronto.